Hi there, Jim again. As promised, I'm going to go over the top 10 proven study strategies for college success. Now, I'm not going to go over all 10 in one video because that would be too much.
Thank goodness!
But I'll go over each study strategy in each video. So let's start with the first one. The very first proven study strategy is to study closer to the lecture than to the exam. Now, what does that mean? That means to study your notes shortly after class rather than waiting until the night before the exam and going over your notes for the first time.
Cramming?
Yeah. See, unlike high school, most college schedules will have breaks built into them. So for example, a typical college schedule might be Mondays and Wednesdays English from 9 o'clock to 10:15, followed by college algebra from noon until 1:15. Tuesdays and Thursdays might be general psychology from 10:30 to 11:45, followed by biology from 1:30 to 2:45, and then a biology lab at 3 o'clock. So as you can see, there's breaks built into the schedule. Now, what a lot of students do is they go hang out with their friends during breaks.
Hanging out?
They go get something to eat.
Let's eat!
They go take a nap.
No napping, newborns nap.
They check social media. I recommend you go find a quiet study area and go over your notes. A lot of times instructors talk very fast, so you've got blank spots in your notes, and you could fill those in during this time. By doing this, you're studying closer to the lecture than to the exam. The information will be fresh in your mind, so it'll actually be easier to learn the material at this time than it will be if you wait until the night before the exam and go over your notes for the first time. Did you know that you'll retain 85% of new information if you go over that information within the first 24 hours of learning it? Let me repeat that. You'll retain 85% of new information if you go over that information within the first 24 hours of learning it.
I did not know that.
Doing so also gets at the core of time management, which is critical for effective study skills. So that's the very first proven study skill, which is to study closer to the lecture than to the exam. And when we go to the next video, I'll go over the next study skill. And when we do, I will see you there. Thanks.